Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, guys. How are you all? Fidel is present. Okay. So you are using another device now, Fidel?
Yeah, that same device.
Same device. The problem is solved?
No, it is solved.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Oh, very good afternoon, Aldous.
Good
Welcome
afternoon,
to the
ma'am.
class. Good afternoon, my little one, Zeba. Welcome.
Ma'am, in your
Thank
two
you, ma'am.
classes, I didn't get your any class.
I was missing you a lot in the class because I'm not getting quick responses from you. So
Ma'am,
miss
and
you a
I
lot.
watched recorded class.
You watched recorded class, but it is not enough. If it is possible, you come to a live class than watching the recorded session. I recommend always come to the live session, not for the recorded version. Okay, maximum you
Okay,
try.
ma'am.
I know that you are very
Okay,
good
ma'am.
and you will try maximum to come to the live class. If there is any problem or if you can't watch the live session, then only you can go for the other one. Okay, recorded.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Students are waiting in the waiting room. Let me allow them to enter. So Anlin's house is a pink house. Isn't it, Anlin? It's
No,
a
ma'am,
pink
my
house, so I'm
sister's
going to
room.
call you Pinky.
No, ma'am. This is my
No,
sister's
no, no, no.
room.
I won't call you like that. Okay, you're very
No,
smart.
ma'am. No, ma'am. Don't call. Don't call.
Huh? Only inside. This
Don't
room
call,
is
ma'am.
only pink.
No, ma'am. Here only net will become, so I only sit here.
Ah, okay, okay, okay. Fine. That's good. Heron, adjust your camera. Only 2 spectacles are seen. Little more, little more. Don't worry. Don't look at your looks. You're smart. You're okay, good, beautiful girl. Lower, lower the camera. I want to see your full face. Adjust, adjust, adjust. Ah, you went upside down like a bat. Okay. Yasin is here. My orange fellow. What you had? Had lunch, children?
No, ma'am.
Yasin, what you had?
I had.
Rice and?
Yes, ma'am. I had.
Rice and? Yasin. What is special at home? Chicken, mutton, beef. Okay, leave it. So let us begin our class. You know, you are at present, you are learning the active and passive voice, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm tired.
ma'am.
All the 6 classes today and everywhere I'm teaching active and passive voice. I am tired. So you please give me an energy to teach you in the form of responses. Okay. So I want good responses. Otherwise I'll become dull. If I go dull, you won't get anything. Okay. So I want
Okay, ma'am.
quick responses, but not mass answers. Okay. Answering I won't recommend one by one, but it should be quick, quick, quick. Okay. So let us do it today. Active and passive voice. We were discussing about a table of present tense in the previous class, right?
Yes.
So we have completed the first one, simple present tense and its passive form, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. We completed both simple.
No, ma'am. We only complete simple.
Simple present tense, right?
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes,
today
ma'am.
we
Yes,
need to
ma'am.
start from present continuous, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. We
Yes,
have.
Okay.
ma'am.
What was the
Yes,
question?
ma'am.
What was the question? Simple
Ma'am,
present.
Rose is writing
Ma'am,
a letter.
Rose is writing a letter.
Okay. I still remember because I started with Rawls' name. Okay. So let me share a small screen for you. I am gonna write same table. I'm gonna draw the same table once again for you as it is not with me now. Help me to finish this.
Yes.
You please go through the notes of your active and passive voice.
Ma'am, I think more better, you can speak, we will write.
Yes. So this
Yeah.
is present. This is present tense box, active and passive voice. And this is called active column. And the other one is called passive voice column. Now I have simple sentence, simple present tense here. I'm going to write the sentence in simple present tense. Present continuous. Present perfect. And Present
Ma'am,
perfect.
I have to ask something.
That something should be asked now.
Ma'am, this table is drawn in past and future. Future.
Yes. Exactly the same table, only the contents. There is a small change only in the condensation. Ajal, welcome. Ajal, welcome. Rarely I used to see here. Oh my God, she left, I think. When I was excited, she left the class. So let us wait for her again. So let me share the screen once again. So this is present tense box. And it was written rolls, writes what?
A letter.
Okay,
Rolls,
writes a letter. Okay, and what was the answer? Passive?
A letter is written by roll.
Okay, agree. A letter, this was finished, right? A letter
Yes,
is,
ma'am, we completed the symbol.
yes,
Both active and passive.
yes. A letter is written by rolls. Okay, fine. Now, I want Steve to change the same sentence into present continuous tense.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, is it passive or active?
Active.
Ma'am, can I?
1 minute, let me check whether
everything.
sometimes it is going
Ma'am,
all the
I-
time up and down.
In active roles is writing.
I want Steve to change the same sentence into its active continuous
Ma'am.
form. Present tense continuous. Steve.
Ma'am, we completed continuous perfect and
Okay, but please, Steve, you please tell me the continuous form, present continuous form of the same sentence. Active voice.
Ma'am, Rose is writing a letter.
Okay, Rolls is writing
Letter.
a letter. Okay, fine. That is good. Great. Tell me the finite verb here.
Ma'am is writing.
Okay. You know how to change the sentence into its passive form?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you tell me how it is possible for us to change the sentence.
Ma'am,
Ah,
a letter.
a letter.
A letter. A letter is.
Is.
No, 1 second.
No seconds. No seconds. Don't
Ma'am,
ask anyone.
sister, come.
Don't
Sister.
ask anyone.
A letter
A
is.
letter is writing by rules.
A letter is.
Writing by rules.
No. There is no
Ma'am,
word
it's
called
here.
writing.
Written by Rose.
A letter is being writing from rolls.
All answers are wrong. But I have heard anyone. Okay. Listen. I request everyone to mute. I have got more and more energy now. I'm getting it. So the answer, look at the board here, children. The answer here is, it is, listen, all of you listen carefully. This tense is actually present continuous. Okay, so we want continuity in the action, isn't it? We want to show that the
A
sentence is in
letter
continuous
is
tense.
being written
Yes,
by
to show
rolls.
the continuity, we need to use the present
Being.
participle form of be after is. So it should be being. Always in all the continuous tenses. If it is present continuous, past continuous, and whatever it is, we need to use this is plus being. Or being is important in all the continuous tense. So a letter is being, and what is the past participle form of the verb, right?
Written.
Very good. Is being written by rolls. Okay. So underline is being written. Okay.
Is being
Underline
written.
is being written. All the continuous, even if it is a past continuous also, you need, if it is a continuous tense, please don't avoid being from there. You must include the word being in it. Am I clear? So
Yes,
a letter
ma'am.
is
We want
being
to use,
written. Okay? Okay.
ma'am,
Now-
in perfect,
now-
we want
now-
to use,
It's not clear for me. What are you asking now?
ma'am, in the perfect also we want to write.
No. In the perfect, we won't use being. Being is to show the continuity in action. It is the present participle form of be. To show the continuous action, we are using this present participle form of be. Okay? Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now let us take the next one, the box, the next column. That is simple. That is present perfect tense. So I am going to ask Vaiga. Vaiga, can you change the same sentence into present perfect tense?
Ma'am, Rolls has written a letter.
Rolls has written. Okay.
A letter.
Written a letter. Tell me the finite verb which help you to identify the tense.
Ma'am has written.
Has written. Okay. So how you're going to change this?
written.
I want only Vaiga to respond. Vaiga, help me. I don't know how to change the sentence into its passive form. So we can together work out, right? So if you are there with me, I can change the sentence from active to passive voice. So Vaiga, please help me. Tell me the object of the sentence.
Ma'am, first we want to write a letter.
A letter first. Very good. A letter. And it is in present tense.
So is.
No, but this tense is actually in perfect. It is in present perfect. So normally what usually we use in a present perfect tense is or has.
Ma'am, has. Ma'am,
Has. You know, you see in the question, there is already I have used the word has. Okay. So has written shows that the sentence is in perfect tense. So I can use the same has. Okay. And what is the past participle form of be?
Ma'am,
Been. A letter has been. Past participle form of the verb write.
written.
Written by Rolls. Okay, Vaiga. So underline has been written. Okay, underline has been written. Fidel,
Yes, ma'am.
can you help me to find the perfect continuous, present perfect continuous form of the same sentence? Present perfect form of the same sentence.
Ma'am, Rolls have been write a letter.
Rolls?
Rolls have been write a letter.
Is it has or have? Rolls is one person, right? I can see only one Rolls in this class.
Yes, ma'am.
So has or have?
Ma'am,
Has. Rolls has been.
Rolls has been
No,
written a letter.
writing. Continuous. Rolls has been writing a letter. Finite verb here.
Ma'am, has been writing a letter.
Has. Only verb I want. Has been writing. Okay.
Yes,
Has
ma'am.
been writing is the finite verb. So how can we change the sentence into its passive form?
A
Who is going to
letter.
give me the answer? No, this question is a common question for all. Someone please tell me how to change the sentence into passive. No answer?
Ma'am,
I'll quit the class. If you're not giving me the answer for this.
Ma'am, it could not be changed.
no,
Ma'am,
no passive voice.
No
yes,
passive
ma'am, no
voice. Okay,
passive
I'll just
voice.
introduce. Okay. So children, I have told you there is no passive form for present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future continuous and future perfect continuous. Now look at the board. The sentence is in present perfect continuous. So there is no passive form for this sentence. Okay, we cannot change. It is not possible for us to change a sentence in present perfect continuous into its passive. So there is no passive form. Okay, there is no passive form. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
We have got we have got a few examples how to change the sentences in present tense into its passive form. See, in simple present tense, by looking at the finite verb. See, writes, it is in simple present tense. Is writing shows that it is in present continuous. Has written said that it is in present perfect, and has been writing shows that the sentence is in present perfect continuous. All these forms are examples for active voice sentences. Okay, once it is changed into passive voice, before changing we should remember the 3 points that we had already learned. Point number 1, the subject of the active voice becomes the object of the passive voice. Point number 2, the finite verb or the verb must be in the
The
form
verb
of be
in
plus
the active voice is
participle
changed
form.
into the form of
Okay,
be plus
and
participle form of the
we
verb.
must use the preposition by before the object of the
By
passive
is
voice.
used before the object of the passive voice.
I hope that you have completed this thing. Okay, have you
Yes, ma'am.
completed?
Ma'am,
Have you
so we want
completed
to
the
draw
table of
another
present tense?
table. Yeah, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am, completed.
Exactly
Yes,
the
ma'am,
same. You
completed.
draw one more box. Draw another box for past tense.
Past tense.
Okay, ma'am.
Do it fast. You need to learn all the columns of active voice and all the columns of passive voice. You should know how to change it. Draw another box. Same box. Right heading past tense. Active, passive, simple, simple past, past continuous, past perfect, past perfect continuous. Okay.
Finish drawing table.
Ma'am, can you show that board?
Finished, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, can you show that board?
it's gone. It's gone somewhere. I don't know where it has gone. So I'll draw once again. No
Okay,
other
ma'am.
way.
And what is the heading?
Same, past tense. Past tense. Box of past tense. Active. Passive. Simple. Continuous. Perfect. Perfect continuous.
Ma'am, I drew the table.
Finished? The same sentence. The same sentence. Roles.
I draw
Tell
the table.
me the past form of the sentence.
Ma'am,
Rolls
wrote a
right.
letter.
Rolls.
Wrote a letter.
Yes. 1 minute. It is moving up and down all the time. Okay. Rolls. Wrote. As it is simple past form, we should use the second form of the verb. Rolls wrote a poem. Underline wrote, as it is the finite verb. Okay? Rolls wrote a poem. Okay? Tell me how to change this into its passive.
Ma'am,
A poem is
A poem
written by Rolls.
it is in simple past. It is in simple past tense. So wrote
It
becomes
was written.
was written.
Was
Okay.
written
Was written
because wrote is singular.
by Rawls. Very good. Rawls wrote a poem. So a poem was written, as it is in simple past tense, and wrote is a simple past form of the verb. As the poem is singular, I can use be form was, and written as the past participle form of the verb. How to change the same sentence into past continuous?
ma'am,
Past continuous.
Ma'am, Rolls was writing a poem.
Very good. Rawls was writing a poem. Rawls was writing a poem. Finite verb?
Was writing.
Excellent. Was writing. Okay. So tell me how to change. You have the table of present tense with you. Okay. You have the table of present tense with you. Can you tell me the right past continuous passive form? Refer the table of present
What
tense.
is
A poem.
Ma'am, a poem was being written by Rolls.
Very good. A poem was being written. It is continuous. So I should write being here. Being is the present participle form to show the continuity of the action. A poem was being written by Rawls. A poem was being written by Rawls. A poem was being written by Rawls. See, being is only suitable in continuous form. We can use being in present continuous form, and we can use being in past continuous form. Okay, Zeba, tell me its past perfect form.
Yes, ma'am.
Rawls.
Okay, ma'am. Rolls was written a poem.
No. It is past. It is past perfect. Past perfect. Ihan.
Rolls
had written a poem. Very good. Rawls had written. Zeba, a small mistake, but it is a major mistake. Had written a poem. Okay. Rawls had written a poem. So change the sentence into its passive.
ma'am, can I say?
Refer present tense box.
Ma'am, we will use the same had.
A poem.
Had been
Ma'am, I will. Ma'am, please.
Okay.
A poem have been
Had been
by Rolls.
written. Very good. Had been written by Rawls. Underline had been written. Had been written. Okay, children, you tell me its past perfect continuous form.
ma'am, Rose had been writing a poem.
Rawls
Had
Been writing a
Okay, Rawls had been writing A poem. Please don't tell me the answer now. I'm going to ask this question to Al-Asfan. Al-Asfan, can you tell me the passive form of the sentence?
We cannot change.
Ah, wonderful. I'm happy and I'm glad. Excellent. There is no passive form for past perfect continuous. Okay, we cannot change. There is no passive form for past perfect continuous. So look at here, children. It is easy to identify the finite verb. Wrote shows that this is the past form of a verb. So the sentence is in simple past tense. Was writing shows the sentence is in past continuous tense. Had written is a finite verb, and it is very clear that the sentence is given in past perfect. And had been writing is the finite verb, and this shows that the sentence is given in past perfect continuous form. So simple past is changed into be form plus past participle form, and it is continuous tense. So I have used being here, and the remaining all other forms are same. See, a poem was being written. In the simple past tense, it was a poem was written, but it is continuous. So I should use the present participle form of be is called being. So it is was being written. So being can be seen only in continuous forms, present continuous, past continuous forms. Okay, and next one is we have had written. So we have the past participle form of been here. So had been written. That is possible only with the past perfect. See, had. Had shows that the sentence is in past tense. Okay, so had been written, and there is no passive form for past perfect continuous. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Table is clear for you now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
By heart.
Clear.
By heart. Okay, so next draw another table for future tense now. All of you, I request everybody to change or draw a
Ma'am,
table.
I draw.
Already drawn.
Yes, ma'am. I also wrote.
I draw or I drew.
You.
It is finished. Actually,
drew.
I have drawn is
Drew.
correct because just finished. Okay, if it in the present tense, you are actually in my class and you have completed your work just now, a few minutes before, right? So you should use present perfect there. I have finished or I have drawn. I request others to draw a table for the future tense. So heading future tense. Simple, simple future, future continuous, future perfect, future perfect continuous. Okay. Same sentence into simple future.
Ma'am, Rolls will write a poem.
Very good. Rawls will write a poem. Rawls will write a poem. Finite verb here.
We will write.
Will write.
Will write.
Will write. Will write. Excellent.
Will write.
And how to change the sentence into future passive?
A poem.
Very good. A poem. It is future tense. It is future tense. So we must use will here, right? So will.
A poem will be
Ah,
A
very good. A
poem will
poem will be
written by Rolls.
excellent.
Written
Written
by-
by Rawls. Fine. Very good. I'm happy.
written by Rolls.
Poem will be written. Underline will be written. A poem will be written by Rawls. Will be written. Now, why B? Why I am not using any other forms? You know the reason why B is used here?
Ma'am,
You
B
have
is
last
for
It's a future tense.
No, B is the base form of am, is, are, was, were. Been
Yes,
and
ma'am.
being.
B form.
Okay. Normally we say that it is B forms in English grammar. B forms are am, is, are, was, were. So you know that after an auxiliary, especially a modal auxiliary, we must use the base form of the verb. So after will and shall, we can use only be. We cannot use any am, is, are, was, were, been and being forms. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm sharing once again. So look at here. Next, future continuous form.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
Rolls will be writing
Rolls
Roles will
will
be
be
poem.
writing a
writing
poem.
will be
a poem.
writing a
Okay.
poem.
Will be
Okay.
writing a poem.
Finite verb.
Will be writing.
Writing.
Okay. So
Will be
passive
writing.
form.
No passive form.
There is
no
no
passive
passive form.
form.
Excellent. No passive form for
passive
future
form.
continuous. We cannot change future continuous form into passive. Okay, there is no passive form for future continuous. Okay.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
how to change the same sentence into its perfect form?
Ma'am,
Roles.
Ma'am, Rolls will have
written a poem.
Very good.
Rolls will have
will
written a poem.
Rolls will have written
will
a
have
poem.
written a
Roles will
poem.
have written a
A
poem.
poem.
Okay, finite verb
Will have
Will
written.
have
will have written. Okay, so how to change it into its passive form? Look at the table.
Ma'am,
Fast.
poem
A poem.
A poem
will have been
Very good. Will have
have
been.
been written
have
by
by
Rolls.
Rolls.
Very good. Will have been
by
written
Rolls.
by Rawls. So underline will have been written by Rawls. Okay. So the last one. How to change the same sentence into future perfect continuous?
Ma'am, Rolls will have been
Ma'am.
writing a poem.
Rolls will have
Rolls
been
will have
writing a
been
poem.
Writing a poem.
And no passive voice.
Excellent.
Ma'am,
Writing
for
a
that
poem.
No
It
passive
is
voice.
Passive form,
future
ma'am.
perfect continuous does not have a passive form. We cannot change future perfect continuous into passive. So write no passive.
No passive, ma'am.
No passive voice. So these are the 3 tables that you should learn by heart. The way, the method used, how I changed, which all words I have included, which I excluded, the method, everything. Okay. So my dear children, this is the end of today's session. I'll be coming in the next class with a small question paper for active and passive voice. Only one thing you need to do. Only one thing you need to do. You study the tense forms thoroughly. You study all the 3 tables which I have given a few minutes before. Okay.
Ma'am, is it
Ma'am.
Google Forms?
Google
Active
Forms.
and passive voice. Active and passive voice.
Is
You
it in
can
Google Forms, ma'am?
Google form.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you, ma'am.